Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a question that looks extremely tricky but is actually quite simple. What is the value of the expression 2 divided by 2, again divided by 2, then divided by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is very deceptive and has caused many people to come up with the wrong answer. Alright, let's carefully go through it step by step together. At the beginning, many people jump straight to the first expression, 2 divided by 2, which I have highlighted in yellow, and replace it with 1. And the next step, they go for the other expression of 2 divided by 2 that I have highlighted in blue, and again replace it with 1. Finally, they conclude that 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option C is the correct answer to this question. But unfortunately, this answer is completely wrong. Now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this problem in the right way. As you can see in the image and this expression, we have 3 division signs. It's very important to note that when an expression contains only division signs, we must always move from left to right and carry them out in order. So, first we start with the expression 2 divided by 2, which I have highlighted in yellow. Instead of this expression, we can write it as 1 divided by 2, then divided by 2. Now, we can write 1 divided by 2 in the form of a fraction. So, this expression becomes 1 over 2 divided by 2. Alright, whenever we see a division sign between two expressions, the best strategy is to use the KCF rule. And this rule, K stands for keep the first fraction as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second number. So, instead of the highlighted part, we'll write it as 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, which ultimately gives us 1 over 4. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question.